Hi, my name is Dr. Shweta Rao Varke and I am a physiotherapist by profession. I've been practicing as a physiotherapist for the last 21 years. And I already have a clinic in Manpada and a performance lab as well, which Madhu and Ranjit have helped me design. And this is the space that we are here right now. Used to be my father's clinic. My father I will not say was, because he still is alive in my heart, and he practiced as a general practitioner, as a doctor, medical doctor, for the last 50 years in this area, which is called Charai, Thane. It's one of the oldest areas in Thane, and this is where I grew up. The first 10 years of my life I have spent over here. Passing by, because my school is about 500 meters from here and my home used to be 500 meters from here. So this used to be the center part, and this also used to be a way to meet my father while he was practicing, and it would be fun to watch him practice, because I have made a few modifications with the help of Madhu and Ranjit, but I wanted to keep his the way he would walk through the clinic. I wanted to keep that same system alive. So here there used to be a very huge room for compounders over here, which we completely broke up, and it has now just expanded the space over here, and this would be his consulting room, and exactly this would be the space where he would keep his gourds, and he had a very fun way of seeing patients. He would make them sit, and then he would quickly sneak through and go to the treatment rooms, and then if he had to speak to a certain patient, he would sit, maybe have some really private and close conversations with them. So here also we have tried to maintain that same kind of therapy room, where here patients can come, they can do their treatments, whether they are coming for knee pain, back pain, whatever they want. So we've kept 2 therapy beds. We also have massage therapy services over here, and this place was basically full of beams and walls, and it has been very discreetly and smartly covered up, and there's a very nice expanse of space which was initially feeling very claustrophobic. And then from here my father would have another consulting room in the back, and I have maintained again that kind of a little bit of a what do I say? It feels like a mischief, as if you are seeing one patient and then you're coming seeing another patient and making sure you're giving time and attention to everyone. So we have another consulting space over here, again very smartly utilized, trying to minimize the use of multiple AC units. So we have just one unit which is taking care of this entire space. So the way it is planned is very smart. And again, this consulting room opens into a functional gym area, which is very important for us as physiotherapists. And so here we are going to do rehab for all our clients who are coming with knee pain, back pain, shoulder pain, and making sure that we are able to give them an experience which takes their pain away and leads them to performance. When I approached Madhu and Ranjit about this space, I was very clear that I wanted to maintain this, kind of a movement which is there. It's an energy flow. My father used to practice general medicine, but most of the people consider him to be somebody more spiritual, like a guru, and we all believe in the flow of energy. So I wanted the same flow of energy to go on, and I'm so happy that they could deliver the same space with more openness. The space has opened up so nicely, and wherever it was needed, they have used the space. Like we had a very big washroom over here, and they made it small and compact, and we have concealed pantry over here, so you won't even know, but definitely we can manage to have our tea, coffee, or heat our dabbas whenever we want to eat. So the utilization of space has been done excellently, whereas keeping the whatever I had told them, the flow, etc., that has been maintained. Many people who have come and seen are saying that this is like a mini version of PQ, which is at Manpada. So it looks almost like the same family. So we have maintained the same colors, that is white, black and orange, which are our brand colors. So I'm really happy the way this space has turned out, and looking forward to doing more projects with Innerspace and Madhu and Ranjit. And thank you so much for making this space alive again, and can't wait to start working here.